Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन।
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन।
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन।
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक।
पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक।
पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक।
पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक।
प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन।
प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन।
प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन।
प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन।
पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन।
पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन।
पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन।
पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन।
लंबोदरा गणनाथ गजानन।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक।
पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायक।
प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन।
प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदन।
पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन।
पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
पार्वती नंदन
सद्गुरु ब्रह्म सनातन हे सद्गुरु ब्रह्म सनातन हे परम दया घन पावन हे परम दया घन पावन हे जन्मज दुख विनाशन हे जन्मज दुख विनाशन हे जगदोद्धारण कारण हे जगदोद्धारण कारण हे साई कृष्ण जनार्दन हे सत्य साई कृष्ण जनार्दन हे भव भय जलधि तारण हे भव भय जलधि तारण हे सद्गुरु ब्रह्म सनातन हे परम दया घन पावन हे जन्मज दुख विनाशन हे जगदोद्धारण कारण हे साई कृष्ण जनार्दन हे जनार्दन हे जनार्दन हे जनार्दन हे साई कृष्ण जनार्दन हे भव भय जलधि तारण हे भव भय जलधि तारण हे सद्गुरु ब्रह्म सनातन हे सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी शशिवदनी शशिवदनी
प्रभासमुख शशिवदनी
सुन्दरवदनी सुगुणमनोहरी
सुन्दरवदनी सुगुणमनोहरी
चन्दन कुङ्कुम अलङ्कृतवदनी कुङ्कुम अलङ्कृतवदनी साई महेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी साई महेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी सुन्दरवदनी सुगुणमनोहरी मन्दहासमुख शशिवदनी सुन्दरवदनी सुगुणमनोहरी चन्दन कुङ्कुम अलङ्कृतवदनी साई महेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी साई महेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी ॐ शक्ति ॐ शक्ति ॐ शक्ति ॐ शक्ति
भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
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 अनाथ रक्षक दीन दयाला पतित पावन 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 साई बाबा
भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
योगेश्वर साई मुरारी योगेश्वर हे त्रिपुरारी
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 नित्यानंदा ब्रह्मानंदा प्रेमानंदा साई बाबा
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 भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
अनाथ रक्षक दीन दयाला पतित पावन साई बाबा
रक्षक दीन दयाला पतित पावन साई बाबा
भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
योगेश्वर साई मुरारी योगेश्वर हे त्रिपुरारी
योगेश्वर साई मुरारी योगेश्वर हे त्रिपुरारी
नित्यानंदा ब्रह्मानंदा प्रेमानंदा साई बाबा
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 भोला भंडारी बाबा शिव 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 साई बाबा
In the sunshine or in the shadow, in the bright morning light of your life.
In the sunshine or in the shadow, in the bright morning light of your life.
Even when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side.
Even when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side.
God is there by your side. God is there by
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
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 पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले
हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
भज नारायण गोविन्दा
भज नारायण गोविन्दा
साई नारायण गोविन्दा
साई नारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण 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 गोविन्दा
भज नारायण गोविन्दा
भज नारायण गोविन्दा
साई नारायण गोविन्दा
साई नारायण गोविन्दा
पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविन्दा
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण
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 नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण
नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण
गुरु नानक जी की जय जयकार
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 जो बोले सो होए निहार
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 अल्लाह साई ले लो सलाम
अल्लाह साई ले लो सलाम
मौला साई ले लो सलाम
मौला साई ले लो सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम
यीशु पिता प्रभु साई राम
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 बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर नाम
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर नाम
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर नाम
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर नाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम
गुरु नानक जी की जय जयकार
गुरु नानक जी की जय जयकार
जो बोले सो होए निहार
जो बोले सो होए निहार
अल्लाह साई ले लो सलाम
अल्लाह साई ले लो सलाम
मौला साई ले लो सलाम
मौला साई ले लो सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम
यीशु पिता प्रभु साई राम,
ईश पिता प्रभु साई राम,
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर नाम,
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र महावीर नाम,
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम,
सलाम सलाम लाखों सलाम,
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम,
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम,
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम,
सलाम सलाम मेरा सलाम।
गुरु नानक जी की जय जयकार।
Truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. No vision for love, no season for love. No birth, no death, no birth, no death. Love is my form, truth is my breath, peace is my breath. Love is my form, truth is my breath, peace is my breath. Love is my form, truth is my breath, peace is my breath.
Where should I find him? Should I find him somewhere outside? Should I find him somewhere in a temple? Yes, my journey too started by trying to find out our beloved Lord in some temple. Let me tell you one experience that he had blessed me with. It was an occasion I was blessed to go to Tirupati to have darshan. I wanted to see Swami at Tirupati as Sri Balaji, Sri Venkateshwara. I stood in the lines in those days for a long time. Several hours I was waiting for the darshan, and it was a time when I was about to enter into the sanctum sanctorum. That is the time where I knock the door. Knock the door and it shall be opened for you. I knock the door of my heart. Swami, Swami, please Swami, if I am at Prashanti Nilayam, I doubt often whether we are coming for your darshan or you are coming for our darshan, because we will be seated very comfortably, Swami. And once we are seated very comfortably, a divine music will be flowing. And at that time, you will be gliding, you will be circumambulating around your devotees. You will stretch your hand and ask for a letter. Along with the letters, the problems from our lives. You will come to us, you will lift your robe and ask us to take your namaskar. You will look at us, you will give a smile, you will bless us with wonderful memories. But here I am, Swami. I want to see you in this form, Swami. And here I waited for your darshan these many hours, Swami. And finally, when I entered into the sanctum, I am sure, Swami, the Sevadal will push me out. They will send me out in no time. In few seconds time, they will tell me to leave. Swami, my heart is longing. I want to see you for a long period of time, Swami. I want to have a darshan for a long time, Swami. I want to enjoy your beautiful form, Swami. You are the same Lord. You are the one who is residing at Parthi. You are the one who is residing at Tirupati. Can you give me more darshan, Swami? I want to see you for a long time. This was my prayer. I looked within and asked him to help me. I asked him to give me darshan for a long time. Before ever a desire descends in our hearts, our sweet Lord is already waiting with all the required things ready to fulfill our desire. Maybe the Lord himself would have descended and would have taken the form of a Sevadal volunteer there in the sanctum waiting for me. I entered inside the sanctum. A beautiful mantra was going on. Om Namo Venkateshaya. Peacefully the mantra was going on. I was losing myself. At the same time, I had a fear that I may not be able to see him for a long time. At that moment, that Sevadal, that person, held me by hand, pulled me out of the lines, and he continued his work. He was sending the devotees, move forward, move forward, move forward. I was only thinking that he was telling us to move forward, but what a deep meaning in his telling, move forward, move forward, move Godwards, move Godwards, move forwards towards the God. Maybe that he was teaching me. I was enjoying the Lord's darshan so much time. I'm not a VIP, I'm not a minister, but it's not possible for me as an ordinary devotee to have his darshan for such a long time. Why fear when our Swami is here? When he is with us, a wish-fulfilling tree by our side, and we knock the door and seek his help. I had darshan to my heart's content for a long time. My heart was filled with gratitude. I was thanking Swami in my heart. Thank you so much, Swami. Thank you so much for giving me your darshan for such a long time, like I used to have at Prashanti Nilayam. At that moment, that gentleman, maybe it is he asked me, "You have fever?" God knows how he knew that I had fever. We often say casually, God knows. Whatever we don't know, we say, God knows. Of course, God knows everything because he resides in every heart. Obviously, he knows everything, whatever happens in our hearts. Then he asked me, "Where do you come from?" Where do you come from? What a wonderful question of spirituality. Do you come from Prashanti Nilayam, a place on the earth, or some other place? Or you have come from God? Remember, you are from the divinity, you are from God. Realize that. Maybe he was talking to me in the sanctum sanctorum, those divine things, and teaching things for my life. I expressed my gratitude and moved forwards towards Godwards. That's how our Lord, that is how he resides in every heart. And when we look within and ask him for something, he is ever ready, if at all that desire of ours is good for us. If that desire makes us better, if that desire makes us closer to him.
देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शिवजना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपदाना ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तरु नीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तरु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नव्येन्द्र जयगा ओम जय जगदीश हरे साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगलारती मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा
बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।